to another one of my videos. Today's video is going to be about making homemade play-doh. I don't know about everybody, but I know most of the children are off on the Easter holidays, and I thought it might be a nice thing for you lot to make for your little nippers. Might get them off the Xbox and the computers and the tablets for a little while. We can only hope. Anyway, that's what I thought I'm going to do for today. Let's go for it. Right, I'm going to show you the ingredients that we need to use to make homemade play-doh. Okay. Need some salt and some flour, some vegetable oil. You can use coconut oil if you want to, and some cream of tartar and food colouring and some good old water. Yeah. Also, I recommend you use an old dish saucepan and an old wooden spoon. Okay. Right, let's get going. Right, the ingredients is we have to have a cup. Okay, we have 2 cups of flour. Okay. Now, I always make a mess, and I've cleaned the kitchen this morning, so not a particularly good idea, was it? Anyway, right, 2 cups of flour. Just measure it out without making too much mess, like me. Right, tip it in your saucepan. Right, need another one of them. Yeah. Tap it down a bit, okay? Of what? Right. So we need two cups of flour, okay? And then 3/4 of a cup of salt. So, okay. I don't know where the 3/4 is though. Oh no. It's quite a lot of salt. Don't panic. Oh my god. It's a flipping lot of salt, isn't it? I'm going to bang it down a bit. Oh, a bit more. Flipping all right, I think that's about right. 3/4 of a cup of salt. Okay, bang it in with the flour. And then we need two tablespoons of this cream of tartar. Right, we put cream of tartar in it because it's a stabilising agent. Okay, it should make the play-doh last a little bit longer if it's looked after, obviously. Obviously, like most play-doh, it needs to be kept in a airtight container. If it's left out, it will dry up like normal play-doh. Right, teaspoons. Oh no, teaspoon. This one. Right, we need 2 of these. Okay. Right. 1, 2. Okay, 2 of them. And then we need 2. This is going to be messy. 2 tablespoons of this stuff, oil. Okay. Ew, bugger. Right, 2 of these. Can you see what I'm doing? Anyway, 2 of them. I'm going to put the lid back on because I can see me making them, knocking it over. Because that's what I do. Right, 2 of them. Right, that's that bit done. And then, hold on, what have I forgotten? Water. I've forgotten the water. Right, hold on, I've got to get water. Stupid woman. It does say lukewarm water. Right, I've got to have 2 of these. Dip it in there. 1, 2. Right, so that's most of the ingredients apart from your food colouring. Obviously you can add whatever colour you like. Alright. Obviously, again, if it's a little girl, you could add twinkle to it, and even smells, but I recommend that if they're young, then you don't do it. Obviously, kids like to eat play-doh. This play-doh, I'm not going to do them any harm. It's just flour, salt and water. Might make them poop a bit, but it isn't going to hurt them. But if you start putting like twinkles and smelly stuff in, obviously might give them a bit of an upset stomach. So unless they're sort of old enough to understand they're not allowed to eat it, I suggest you doing basic play-doh that, you know, isn't going to do them any harm. Alright, but you can have whatever colour you want. I've got blue as mine for my 2 little boys. I don't think me 14-year-old daughter, well, she might like to play with it. I like playing with play-doh. Right, trying to remember how much colouring. Right, we want to, ew, it's covered in oil, you silly cow. We've got a teaspoonful of colouring. That's a lot of colouring. That's nearly all my blue. Right, I'm going to put that all in. Okay. Right, I'm going to show you the mixture. Bear with a sec, because I've got to move you. Right, here's the mixture when it's done. All gloopy. Okay, that's all of it in. I'd give it a stir, and then we should start cooking it. Okay. Right, put it on a sort of lowish heat. Don't put it up too high, because it does tend to stick at the bottom. Basic heat or very low heat. Sorry, it's a bit out of focus on it. Just keep stirring it. Just keep stirring. Just keep stirring. Right. I'll come back to you again in a little while. Right, keep stirring it until it starts thickening up, okay? Just keep stirring it all the time long. Right, I'm talking and I'm not blue. Let's keep stirring it until it starts thickening. Alright. I think mine could have done with probably a bit more food colouring, but I run out, so. But again, you can, oh, gaga, turn my heat up. Alright, you can tell it just starts thickening, a bit like custard. Okay, but don't stop stirring it, because otherwise it will catch on the bottom and probably burn. Alright, that's why you use an old saucepan. Alright? Right, so just keep stirring it until it does start thickening up, like I showed you. Starts thickening up a bit. I decided to put some green in because my colouring's really not really done a lot. Again, you can add the colouring a bit more if you need to, like I'm doing. Right, it is really very, very pale blue. Alright, stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it. Sorry, it's a much nicer colour now. Okay, and it has started to thicken up a bit. Alright, just keep stirring it until it ends up like, well, yeah, it ends up like dough. That makes sense, doesn't it? But you know what I mean. Alright, it is thickening up. I should show you the finished results. It takes a little while. Be a little bit patient. Just keep stirring it. Alright, you know I've got to get big muscles after making it. It's flipping lot of stirring. I tell you. So think about, oh, yeah, muscles. Or get someone else to help you. Or, better still, get someone else to stir it for you. Anyway, that's better. As you can see now, okay, it has thickened. It's practically there, okay? So keep stirring it, not like I am, and it should be nearly done. Flour the worktop a little bit and then dump it on there and give it a good knead up. See now, I've floured the worktop. I'm going to go and get the dough. But be careful, remember it's obviously still going to be quite warm, so be careful. But look, it feels lovely, look. It's like bogey colour, this one. Oh, it's gorgeous. Look at that. Right. Oh, it's not easy to get out of saucepan, as you can imagine. So, I mean, be careful because the saucepan is still hot. So, but look. try and scrape out as much as I can. Oh, such fun. Wait till my kids see this. Right, I think I've got out as much as I can. It does obviously stick, is a bit sticky. Okay, get it off your spoon. I recommend as well that you make a white one, and then when you mix them together they sort of marble, but I'm just showing you how to make it today. I might make a white one with you not watching. Oh look, there's quite a lot of it too, so you know, as you can see how lovely that is. It's lovely and warm at the moment. I might call me boys, see what they think. Oh, I think it feels lovely. Oh. Got a funny story actually. When my Bradley was little, right, he ate play-doh, right, got hold of some of his sister's play-doh because she was a bit older than him, and he ate it, and it was bright green like this one. And then when I come to change his nappy, right, he had bright green poo, right. It it was bright green. It sort of glowed in the dark. It was so funny, but so it doesn't do them any harm if they do eat it. So it does feel lovely. I'm going to go and get me boys, see what they think, get them off that damn flipping thingy. As you can see, Bradley, like I said he would be, is playing Xbox. Told ya, that's what he'll be doing. The little one, where's the little one? Oh, little one, oh, he's on the laptop. Like I said they would be. See, computers. Right, boys, downstairs I've made you a present. I want to go and have a look.
Yeah.
They're going. They're on the move. Made you play-doh. What do you think?
Yeah, it's play-doh, but it's really hot.
Yeah, what do you think of it? It's not hot, it's warm.
Cool.
Yeah, feel nice.
Yeah, I made my handprint.
As you can see, I think they like it. So I've got them off the Xbox and the laptop. Might only be for a little while, but I will give it to them to play with, and some cutters. I say when you have finished playing with it, make sure you wrap it up and keep it in a airtight thingy. I think Bradley likes it. Right, I'm going to say goodbye now. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please subscribe below. Please ding dong my bell, because I like my bell being ding donged. Anyway, it seems to be a success. They seem to be enjoying playing with it. So, thumbs up. Yes, Brad?
It's Mr. Slime.
Thumbs up?
Yes.
He likes it.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment down below if it turned out great.
It did. Let's dance. Bye bye
Bye bye bye bye bye bye bye bye bye bye bye.